Hi, Andrew Thompson from Precision Market Trading. Haven't posted for a few weeks, been a bit quiet. Some small trades in for a bit of profit, small trades out for a bit of a loss. I've been posting a couple of things on my blog lately, but on videos. So I'm just going to put this onto the video. This one here is Worley Low, a major infrastructure construction mining services company. Had a bit of a massacre over the last 7 or 8 years, down from $52 to $8.50. Big bear market, anyone's language. But in my opinion, we've hit low. So here we go, let's have a look at it. We have a top up here of over 52 bucks and a low of $8.52. Now, as you know, I'm always looking for the same numbers to come up again and again and again. So we had a bear market low run down here, and we always have a retracement back to a particular level over time, back up to here. And this was 858 degrees from the low to the top. And from the all-time top to the same top here, we had 844 trade. When I get two numbers pretty close together, as you know, on my double tops, my double bottoms rule, I always average it out. And if you add these two up, you get 1702, and divide them by 2, you get 851. There's my low, 852. Trust me, this works. You have a look at the market action recently, you can see it's working. So I'm 1 cent out over 8 years. So believe me, it works. On the internals, we look at the minor range up of 1363. And then from that top, the average between days and degrees, once again, is 1365. Invoking my famous first range down rule, because quite often the first range down in any market, and also the first range up, will give you the final top or bottom. And my first range down here is $12.48, and my average time, once again, between degrees and calendars, because you know on this time scale, looking at 10 or 15 days or degrees difference, at $12.48, my average time is $12.47. So a lot of averages here, but I've learned if you don't use them, you become an average trader. As long as, you know, without being a smarty pants, as long as my account on average is going up, I'm happy. And at the moment it is just working on these time frames. And as I said previously, if you want to, amateurs seek perfection and professionals seek results. So if I'm not to the cent, I don't mind. But when I've got 851, I'm basically 1 cent out of the low. I've got 12.47, 1 cent out from the bottom, 13.65, 2 cents away from the low, all conspiring for me to say this is a major low. And as I said, the market's come up, we came down, we bought in here, and now it's taken a spike up. So if I'm right, this has got a long way to go. Just to even do a minor correction takes it up into the mid-20s. So we'll see how we go. I also made a few comments on my last blog and my last video on the All Odds top, trading the All Odds top back in February, that the top back then will not be the final low. I was meaning that because we have just hit it. I have a chart on the blog, which I'll post on the weekend here, which has a vertical line on it, which is what I put back in February for the day of the top. I had the day of the top is the 13th on the All Odds, and at the moment, the day of the top is the 13th. I picked that a couple of months ago. I'm not here to brag about it. I'm just saying if you do a little bit of work, this is what you can do. So have a look at that on the blog, and I will post a video soon on that. So thanks for listening. I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.